What can we do to change the world? The first thing you can do is do the world a favor and don't try to change it. The naive person tries to change the world. Now, wisdom teaches you to change yourself. Change yourself. You don't have to bother changing the world. And the world is serving its karmic purpose. So why would you want to change it anyway? If you relieved all suffering, all war, all poverty, and all this other, there wouldn't be any people here. Where would you go to evolve in consciousness? I mean, this is the ultimate teaching ground. In this, you can go from people who are lower than a Komodo dragon on their calibrated level of consciousness to Christ himself. So what more do you want? Here you've got a springboard. Here you've got the perfect school, a staging area. So I look at human population on the earth as a staging area. Is there anything you want to change about it? No. As long as I got Pepsi, espresso coffee, there's nothing I want to change.